Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So first we'll just open the box here. Here we got the paper case. We got here the pen, Samsung pen for the tablet, the charger brick, the USB cable, and here maybe we get something. Unfortunately, here we got only the SIM tool and some of the paperwork. So unfortunately we have now here the earbuds inside the box by default, and you should buy some earbuds to your Samsung Galaxy tablet. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.